Hey guys.
Hey guys, Isaiah here, and Uriah, of course. And we are finishing off this entire series. Now, if you guys are wondering what we...
In this recording session, which is technically it's another recording session, even though we're recording it the same day.
It's the same day, so basically, yeah. So you ready, Uriah, for the final one? We're gonna save the bubble one for last.
Carry on catastrophe.
I remember this one. You know why? Where's this? Oh, this is not whenever you collect stuff? This is not? Because I remember you had to collect stuff. Do you not?
I still try to go for 100% of these levels. Cause
I know, but I thought you collected everything. No, it's not!
I forgot that I don't need that.
Oh, no!
What?
This one!
What's so bad about this one?
Yeah, I remember it! Fancy, also, like, say hello to Fancy Rabbit, say hello.
Oh no.
Yeah, what's wrong with it, Raya? Go back,
Oh
Go
no!
back this way, Raya, you're about to kill this stuff.
Oh no!
Oh, no! We're a minute in and we already realized what suffering made her.
Why do I always get the bad ones?
What if it's not that bad, Raya?
What if it's just worse than me?
What if it's better than memory, huh?
Yeah, what if it's better than them?
It's not better than memory. Yeah, that's right. Alright, let's get back to it, shall we? Let's get flying. Don't I usually do the airport ones? I feel like this dude's about to blow up. With the... Land! Fly, young man!
Fly, young ma'am.
Fly, young... Fly, you fools!
It took you a second for you to figure out what I said.
To what? To say for what?
Yeah.
Now I done.
Okay, so we don't have to deal with that guy.
Yay! That was easy. Let's go back that way, actually. Let's go back. To grab it. To grab anything that we missed. Come on, man. I want to see it just go down when we get there. Imagine if it just breaks.
Sometimes I'm confused if this game should or shouldn't be played with a second player. Like, if it's supposed to be played with a second player for the full experience.
Because at least sometimes always just skip.
And sometimes it makes, like, there's some things I'm like, oh, we should be able to do that with some single player. Sometimes I'm like, yeah.
It's just like, this thing's overpowered with it. Let's go back. Oh. Congratulations. Congratulations! You're a failure!
Congratulations, failure!
My name is Failure. What's your name?
Fail.
Fail you are. Fail you We're definitely going to be playing Lego Star Wars soon as well, right?
I think we should play.
Raya! Raya, we already beat it. Let's go. We gotta go to the fan. Where were you thinking we were supposed to go? You're right.
I get the hard ones, don't I?
Oh no! Oh, that's a lot of stuff lost. You want to restart it, please? I mean, tell me when you just want to restart it. Some stuff I gotta see.
Come all the way back here.
Give me that. That hurt him. What has he done to you? You just immediately attacked tip.
If they're a Verminator, they automatically get them
No. There's nothing up there, Ryan, so you gotta go through the sand. What are aircraft?
What about the fireproof ones? Remember those?
Or the sandproof? What's a fireproof joint?
I don't know either. No, it's a joint. Or fire. That's proof. It's proof.
That's what I thought fireproof was. It would cause fire. And I thought flammable was like...
Oh, I thought flammable meant it was soft fire.
And fire... You already know what fireproof meant?
Oh yeah, I already know what fireproof
Go do though! Do you not see that?
I thought that like fireproof meant like... Yeah. I knew what the meaning of fireproof was, so... Right.
Don't die now, Ryan.
Yeah, I know.
You're not supposed to die in the game.
Ready?
Oh no! You probably don't know what we don't know.
What? Oh, it happened again.
What? Nunchuck issue!
Welcome back to Nunchuck Issue.
One second.
Nunchuck Issue. Oh no.
Oh no! We have 2 left. We die now, we're done. Oh, we're trying to get you there!
This reminds me of that one Mario 64 thing.
What was that?
Stop pressing the button. Don't press buttons.
I didn't.
Then keep your hand away from the C button to see what happens. You ready, Raya? Blast off. Get. Okay, we're good. Now! Yeet. Could you don't? Okay. Launch! Who are we fighting?
Oh crap. Oh crap, this is a bunch bad.
What are you doing there? I got him! Our worries are ready.
I have to fight another boy. So mad! So mad!
You gonna be so mad?
So mad!
So
mad!
We've been reading the comments in these videos. No, we haven't.
So mad!
I will read the comments.
We will read the comments, but
Yeah, actually, every video when the video comes out, we'll be reading them for about 12 hours.
yeah, we'll read every comment that comes here, hopefully.
Yeah, if it's in the first video.
We'll read all 12 comments, guys. We'll read all 12 comments.
No! Oh! Did he play the nice arrow? Oh, okay. Wah! Wah, 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 wah! Okay. Launch! Okay. Your eyes in focus mode. Bob, quickly! Oh my gosh, that was a close one. You know how close we would have been. You have to blow immediately when you get in there, Ryan. Go! Walk! Walk quickly! Whoa! Because that next one would have been dead. Okay, don't walk. You blocked! Block it. Just death. The right way. Ew! The right way! Ew!
Yes! Oh, I don't know why that was so nerve-wracking.
Hey, but at least it's not... Hey, at least it's not Bubble Bad Blues!
Don't say the curse!
The curse what? That's a curse word! It's the name of a love. Oh, we gotta go press the button and move quickly.
My head is turning.
But you spin me right around. Go! Dang it, you ran out of time. Boom!
Boom, baby, boom.
Hope. Go, go. That's not that one! Phew! 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 1K! Okay, go.
Look. Hey, baby. Okay. Can't be a 20-minute video, Uriah.
Due to the waterproof joints not becoming waterproof.
Anything unauthorized may present a danger to airport security. Abstain from everything.
I remember why this was so bad. This sucks. Is it as bad as Bubble Bad Blues?
No way!
It gives me the feels, though.
Gives you the feeling.
Like, those feelings.
Those evil.
Oh, yeah, it gives you a feeling that someone's like... Okay.
Ryan, what are you doing?
You forgot the card.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, no. Say, I'm on my way.
Oh, no way, we're 100%. Right, stop it! I don't like it. I don't like your song.
For your security, we remind you that
I don't know what a grandma
with video
is.
cameras.
It's an oldie. It's an oldie, but it's good.
Okay, can we just go? Can we play the game? Can we play the game? This is 13 minutes long. You know what we say about 20-minute videos? It means Uriah did it dumb. It always means that.
It never means Isaiah did anything bad, because he is perfect.
I'm not perfect, Ryan. But I've just never had a 20-minute video due to me being bad at a game.
Yeah, I think they enjoy when I play a little bit more.
Really now?
Yes.
Why? Because the videos are longer? Who's gonna watch our video for this long?
I don't know, someone who's watching a series. I don't know, because people will watch series.
I've never watched your videos, Ryan. I've never commented on them either. There was this hater who hacked into like... What are they?
Waterproof joints.
What are waterproof joints?
They're waterproof and they're joints.
Yeah, what are they?
Waterproof joints.
What are waterproof joints? What are the
joints?
What is the point of joints?
To joint.
Well, what does joint mean?
To join something together.
Crap, they were all here.
I told you what the meaning of a joint is.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Stinky!
Why? Don't stop sucking me up! And you put us in a spot where you're just gonna pick us up again! If we're not in place, put us back in place. You stupid, stupid robot.
I will never forget that quote.
What? What quote? Right, what quote?
Stupid robot.
Where was that from?
From you just now.
Oh! Oh, wait, is that from a movie or like... Grab that. Grab that! Oh my gosh. We also have the best of... do we have the best of Rabbids places?
You saw that.
He sucked too hard.
You saw that.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, no, that wasn't
He
fair.
sucked too hard. Where you died. Yeah. Disgusting. Okay. Hey, robot! Okay, we get it right. I know you like this song. What's your favorite game in the world that you would be able to play? You would want to play on this? What that you would play on this?
This object is not in place.
What would it be? Oh, by the way, if you missed, you would have. There was a gem kit. Right there. You're not in place, you dumb robot. You stupid, stupid robot. The best quotes. What is this?
Why are you in my area?
Whoa there! Where are you gonna put it? There you go.
Object back in place. That's object is back in the place where it should be.
Yeah, I'm gonna shove you back into place. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
Grab and go, kids!
See, we
Don't know why I specifically called out kids there, but I did.
Oh, 1 second. Oh! Oh! Wait, I did this whole... Robot, are you gonna do something? Robot! Hey, Robot! I'm right here. Hey, Robot! My butt is right here. Come on. Come here. We just die right there. Okay, we get it. You like the song. Let's just end the video. Recording session over.
No, not the session.
Well, that was sure fun. We never have to go to this level again. For fun, at least. At least 4 presents, right? At least 4 presents. I hate this level. Will this be on the top 10 worst levels on this game? Did you put it there?
Maybe. Probably. Maybe. Probably.
Yeah.
When you've got Bubble Bed Blues as like #1,
I don't know though, right? I don't.
You got some issues.
Let's just end the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. Also, stop messing with my bed, Raya. Come on, man. Just go up there and end it already.
Okay.
You already know who we are, Isaiah. I'm Isaiah. That's Uriah. And goodbye.